Time now, Money Matters Nashville. Got Wes Wood, president of Wood Financial Group. We're talking different tax profiles for retirement accounts. So Wes, what are these profiles and how do we know when we tap into them?
Yeah, so the thing about your retirement accounts is that you may have taxes that have not been paid on some of those accounts, which are called tax deferred. They built up over all these years and they're all tax deferred dollars because you put it in there with no tax going in, but now you're going to owe a bunch of taxes when you pull the money out. There's other tax accounts that you've paid taxes going in, it's growing tax free, and so when you spend the money from those accounts, you're not going to have to pay taxes, which is really important to understand the difference because taxes are going to go up in the future. Everybody kind of believes that. So you need to structure them appropriately to where you're going to pay the least amount of tax in retirement possible.
No one wants to pay more, so how do we know when to tap into each account?
Well, what you need to do is determine what income you need to have. And unfortunately, a lot of people just randomly pull from various accounts. Like if you have after-tax account, Roth accounts that you've already paid taxes on, you can get that money out tax-free. But if you're pulling from those IRAs, 401ks, you're going to be forced to pay taxes on it. So you may want to structure your income from different sources to make sure you're keeping those taxes as low as possible.
Reducing the tax burden. Charity, gifting?
Absolutely. If you can do it and you are doing it, you just want to do it the right way. With itemized deductions, you may be able to start writing some of those things off if you give the appropriate ways, which we're going to talk about in a later segment. But also, you may look at doing qualified charitable distributions with your IRA, forced distributions, RMDs. So there's different structures that you can use to keep your taxes low when you're giving.
You got a pretty valuable book in your hand. It's called Surviving Retirement. You guys put a ton of information into this free book.
And in this book, we specifically talk about taxes because it's so important in retirement. So you definitely want to get your copy of this.
So free copy of Surviving Retirement, a pamphlet with so much information as well, moneymattersnashville.com.